Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 12. We'll present the material entitled The Crisis in Classical Physics. Introduce myself. I am Tuan Lestari with NPM 49 and, and my partner.
My name is Tantri Widyaningsi with NPM 15.
Okay, the first material about classical physics and its contribution to science will be delivered by my partner. Tanti is welcome.
Classical physics and its contribution to science. Classical physics, which developed before the 20th century, includes Newton's laws, Maxwell electromagnetism, and the law of thermodynamics. It managed to explain macroscopic phenomena such as the motion of objects, planetary movements, fluids, and waves with great accuracy. By the end of the 19th century, classical physics was considered almost perfect, although it still had certain limitations. Next. The next material, phenomena that classical physics can explain. The first, blackbody radiation. Classical theory failed to predict the energy of radiation at high frequency. Two, pot- photoelectric effect. Classical theories stated that the intensity of light determines the energy of electrons, but in fact, frequency plays a role. Next, number three, atomic stability. The classical atomic model states electrons will lose energy and fall into the nucleus, but in reality, atoms are stable, showing the failure of the classical model at the atomic scale. Number four, high speed motion. Newton's law and the concept of ether fail to explain experimental results such as Michelson-Morley, especially at near light speeds. Okay, I will back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Tantri. The next material about causes of crisis in classical physics. The crisis of classical physics was triggered by experimental evidence that could not be explained by basic theories. The specific causes were number one, Rayleigh Jeans failure. The Rayleigh Jeans equation predict divergent blackbody radiation intensity at high frequencies. Number two, Maxwell versus Newton conflict. Maxwell equation hold the speed of light constant for all observers. Where Newtonian mechanics assumes absolute space and time, Michelson-Morley experiment reject the existence of the ether. Number three, the failure of the atomic planetarium model. The classical atomic model predict electron will emit energy constantly and fall into the nucleus, but real atom remains stable. Number four, the photoelectric effect. Classical wave theory could not explain that only the frequency, not the intensity of light, determines the release of electrons. Number five, rejection of continuous energy. Planck proved radiation only occurs in decreased energy quanta, challenging the classical assumption that energy changes continuously. The impact of the classical physics crisis on the development of science and technology. The crisis in classical physics led to the birth of modern physics that was able to explain atomic scales and relativistic phenomena. The impact include number one, the birth of revolutionary theories, especially relativity Einstein states that space and time are relativity and introduced the energy mass relationship. Number two, quantum mechanics explain as subatomic particles with a probability